MyMajors is a 15-minute career assessment that matches your academic achievement, interest, and work preferences. Here are some reminders. You will use your email address and create a password of your choice. Make sure that you have your student ID number, transcripts, GPA, and SAT or ACT scores if available on hand. Complete as much of the academic information as you can, but know that you can skip any questions you don't have the answers to. Answer each question to the best of your ability and remember to be honest. Think of your ideal day, activities you enjoy doing, and the talents and strengths that you possess. This is not about what others have told you. This is about the true, authentic you. Once you are ready to take the MyMajors career assessment, open the MyMajors link. After you have completed the MyMajors career assessment, sign up for MyMajors interpretation workshop. If you're currently in high school, choose the high school option, and if none of these options work, make an appointment with a career counselor. Now that you have completed the MyMajors career assessment and signed up for a MyMajors interpretation workshop, make sure you log back into the MyMajors website to retrieve your results and have this ready during the workshop. Once you log in, select Show Previous Results. This will show you the results based off the answer you selected on your career assessment. To download, select View Your MyMajors report. Now select on the print icon and select Save as PDF and then save this onto your device. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the Career Center by emailing us at careercenter@lbcc.edu, or you can chat with us online in our online lobby.